Welcome to AI Wisdom Farm C. Today we're starting with the foundation. Who is a drug inspector? If you're preparing for UPSC drug inspector or any state exam, this is your first stepping stone. Definition. A drug inspector is a government-appointed officer under the Drugs and Cosmetics Act, 1940. Their main responsibility is simple: to make sure that every medicine reaching the public is safe, effective, and of standard quality. Inspecting manufacturing units. They regularly visit pharmaceutical manufacturing units. Here, they check the cleanliness of the environment, the machinery, trained staff, raw materials, and the entire production workflow. Documentation and GMP. They verify whether the factory follows GMP guidelines from Schedule M. Every process must be documented. Every batch must be traceable. Nothing should go wrong in quality. Inspecting pharmacies. They also inspect medical shops and wholesale distributors. They check how medicines are stored, whether prescriptions are properly handled, and whether controlled drugs like H, H1, and X categories are being maintained with records. Storage checks, temperature control, expiry monitoring, refrigerator storage, and proper handling. Everything must meet the standards. One mistake can affect patient health. Drug sampling. A major part of their job is collecting samples from pharmacies and factories. These samples are sent for testing in government laboratories to check purity, potency, and safety. Fake and substandard drugs. They actively work to identify and stop fake, adulterated, or illegal medicines. Protecting the public from harmful drugs is one of their strongest responsibilities. Licensing work. No pharmacy or factory can get a license without inspection. Drug inspectors evaluate the setup and verify whether the premises are suitable for manufacturing or selling medicines. Importance of DI. In simple terms, drug inspectors are the guardians of public health. They make sure that only quality medicines are available to every patient in the country. Where they work, they mainly work under state drug control departments and the Central Drug Standard Control Organization, CDSCO. They also perform checks at ports and airports. Qualification. To become a drug inspector, you must have a B-Pharm or PharmD degree. The selection process happens through PSC exams, UPSC-like patterns, or direct government recruitment. Syllabus snapshot. The exam covers pharmaceutics, pharmacology, pharmaceutical analysis, chemistry, pharmacognosy, D&C Act and GMP guidelines. A balanced understanding is essential. Outro. So this is the complete overview of who a drug inspector is.